Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to create an amazing 3D pop-out effect in Canva. This is one of those design hacks that's super easy to do, but looks so professional. Let's get started. First, upload the image you want to use. I already uploaded my picture. Now drag it into your design and resize it so it fits nicely on the canvas. I like to use images with a clear subject because it makes the 3D effect pop even more. Just like this.
Subscribe to my channel.
Before we continue our tutorial, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Your support means the world for me. Let's continue. Next, head over to the Elements tab and search for Curve Graphics. Once the options load, select the first curve design you see. Change the color of the curve to white, and then rotate it to align with the edges of your image. Increase the size of the curve a bit to fit your design better. Now, duplicate the curve element to add more layers. Increase the size of this new curve slightly so that it's a bit bigger than the first one. This will help give the effect more depth. Repeat the process, duplicating and resizing the curves to create a layered look. Repeat the process and put the curve's graphic on the all four sides, so it covers all the edges. Once you're happy with how the curves look, go to the Draw tool. Select a white pen, adjust the transparency, and increase the weight of the brush. Then, fill in all the spaces between the curve layers to make it look seamless. After that, download your design, but don't select the transparent background option just yet. You'll see why in a second. Re-upload the image you just downloaded and then use Canva's Background Remover tool. This is where the magic happens. The white curves and background will disappear, leaving you with a clean 3D pop-out effect. In order to remove the background, we will use the Magic Grab tool. Go to Edit, then to Magic Grab. Select the picture and click Grab. Your 3D pop-out effect is ready to go. It looks so cool, and it's perfect for social media posts, thumbnails, or even prints. Now select the image, then click on Edit, then under Effects, choose Shadow. Here you can play around to make the effect the look you like it to be. Alright, let's level up this 3D pop-out effect with a new image. This time, it's a picture of one boy. This approach will allow us to refine the effect and bring out that dynamic depth we're aiming for. First, upload the picture of the boy and drag it onto a fresh page in your Canva design. Resize the image to fit the canvas, focusing on positioning the boy as the central subject of the composition. Make sure he's perfectly centered so the effect looks intentional and balanced. Next, head over to Elements and search for Curve Graphics. Just like before, we'll select a curve that complements the pose of the boy. Rotate the curve slightly to align with the contours of his shoulders or arms. It's all about creating that natural flow. Adjust the size of the curve so it frames him nicely without being too overwhelming. Duplicate the curve graphic a couple of times. On the first duplicate, increase the size slightly to give it a broader outline. This will act as the outermost layer of the effect. On the second duplicate, reduce the size a bit and rotate it in the opposite direction for added depth. These overlapping curves will help create the illusion of layers. Repeat the process and put the curve's graphic on the all four sides so it covers all the edges. Now comes the artistic touch. Click on Draw from the toolbar and select the pen tool. Set the color to white and increase the transparency slightly. This makes the edges blend more seamlessly. Adjust the pen's weight and use it to fill in the areas around the curves and the boy, creating a cohesive background. Once you've added the curves and adjusted the background, it's time to download this stage of the design. Ensure the background color is consistent and download the file without making the background transparent yet. Re-upload the downloaded image and drop it back onto the canvas. This is where the magic happens. Use Canva's Magic Grab tool to remove the background, including the curves. Since the curves and background are the same color, they'll vanish together, leaving only the boy in the foreground. Now select the image, then click on Edit, then under Effects, choose Shadow. Here you can play around to make the effect the look you like it to be. Then add the original picture to the canvas, remove the background, and match the original picture with the effect we made. Just like this. Perfect. For an even more professional look, consider adding a gradient overlay behind the boy to emphasize the 3D effect. Lastly, experiment with a dynamic background to complete the design. Search for abstract patterns or vibrant colors that enhance the overall effect. Drag your chosen background onto the canvas and position it behind the boy. You'll see how the image pops even more with the new backdrop. And there we have it, our enhanced 3D pop-out effect featuring one boy. This technique works beautifully for portraits and individual subjects, giving your designs a fresh, dynamic vibe. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more Canva tips and tricks. And let me know in the comments, what kind of design hack do you want to see next? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy designing!